Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I did these mini braids on my natural hair. It was really simple to do, and this is my favorite hairstyle. So if you want to see how I did these mini braids, then keep on watching. But before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like these. So I'm starting off on freshly washed and blow dried hair, and I'm just gonna brush it out so I can get ready to section it off for parting my hair. Before I start parting my hair, I wanted to show you guys the products I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using Shine and Jam to lay down my roots, Eco Styler for the ends of my hair, and the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Hair Lotion. Honestly, you can use any product to moisturize your hair. I usually use like a hair butter like the Camille Rose Almond Eye Butter, or another good one is the Cream of Nature Twist and Curl Pudding, but this was all I had and it worked great. So I'm just parting my hair from ear to ear in the front and separating the front from the back. I ended up working in 3 sections, 2 in the front and 1 section in the back for the back of my hair. So I've decided to just go with a middle part, but you can switch it up and do a side part if you want to. It's totally up to you. Now I hope I'm able to explain this correctly. So I have 2 sections in the front of my hair. For both sections I end up doing 6 rows for each section. So I'm parting this section in half so I can work in smaller sections and to make sure that my rows are somewhat even. I spent a lot of time parting my hair. If you're not too worried about like how your parts look, then you can just part and go, but I ended up spending most of my time parting my hair because I'm a little perfectionist and I like my parts to be even and straight, and parting my hair is something that I struggle with because my hair is so thick, so it is kind of hard to see at times. So yeah, that's honestly what took me a long time to do this hairstyle. If it wasn't for that, I probably would have been done in probably like 2 to 3 hours. So don't spend a lot of time on these parts, trust me guys. So this is the subsection that I'm going to be working in, and for this section I will do 3 rows. So for the other section I will also do another 3 rows, so that will be a total of 6 rows for this whole section. I hope that makes sense. Yes, these sections are really small, but I honestly love the size of the braids. But if you don't want your braids to be that small like mine, then you can always make bigger parts or add more hair. I just thought it would be better if I had smaller parts and braids because of the thickness of my hair, and it honestly lasts way longer when I do smaller braids. But if you are afraid of your braids matting or dreading up because of how small they are, don't worry. I've done this size braids plenty of times and have never had a problem taking them down. So as long as you avoid drenching your hair in water or like washing it in the braids, then you should honestly be fine with the takedown of these braids. So now I'm taking my Shine and Jam and putting it on my roots to help slick down my little baby hairs and flyaways that I have. It just makes the braids look a lot more neater when it's a little bit of gel put on the roots. And then I'm going to take my moisturizer that I mentioned earlier, and I'm just going to put that along the hair strands of my hair, really making sure that my hair is moisturized. And what I love about using hair butters and this moisturizing lotion is that it does not revert my hair back. So since I did blow dry my hair, you want to use a product that is not water based or has water as the first ingredient, because it will kind of just defeat the purpose of you blow drying your hair if it's going to revert your hair back. I hope that makes sense. So you want to try to use a product that is like, I would say like a butter, like those butters that I mentioned, and so that it won't revert your hair back. So I'm just braiding along, and once I get towards like the end, I just twist the remainder of the hair, because you don't want to be braiding all the way down the ends of your hair. You want to twist it. So now I'm taking my Eco Styler gel and I'm putting it just at the bottom, at the ends of my hair, to help curl it up. So yeah, I'm just gonna repeat the same thing throughout my hair, putting the shining gel on my roots, taking my moisturizer, putting it along my hair strands, braiding down to probably about like an inch to the ends of my hair, twisting the remainder, adding the Eco Styler gel to my ends to curl it up, and just repeating the same process over and over. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch, because I've been talking for a lot, so I'm gonna let you guys watch the rest of this video. So I did want to show you guys how I did the back of my hair. I ended up doing bigger braids and bigger sections just because it is a pain trying to part my hair in the back because I cannot see. So I had to do bigger sections, and honestly it turned out really good. I know my parts are not perfect, but I really did try my best. Like I said, I did spend a lot of time parting my hair, but yeah, so I'm just repeating the same process. I think I did like 6 rows in the back of my hair. Okay guys, so I'm all done with my hair. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. I think it turned out so cute and I love how small and flat they are. Let me know if you guys have ever tried this hairstyle or if you're going to do this hairstyle. I will also have all the products that I use listed down in the description box. And also stay tuned for how I will style these mini braids. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more. Bye!